Understanding engine mount, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, engine mount. This term is commonly used in automotive contexts, but it's important for English learners to understand its meaning and usage. So, let's dive in. An engine mount is a critical component in vehicles. It's a part that connects the engine to the vehicle's frame or chassis. Its primary role is to support the engine, but it also serves to reduce vibrations and noise that come from the engine. Understanding this term helps in grasping basic automotive concepts and vocabulary. Engine mounts are typically made up of two main materials, metal and rubber. The metal part is strong enough to hold the engine's weight, while the rubber part absorbs vibrations. This combination ensures the engine is securely fastened while minimizing the noise and shaking that can be felt inside the vehicle. The importance of engine mounts cannot be overstated. They are crucial for the overall functionality and comfort of a vehicle. A damaged or worn-out engine mount can lead to excessive vibrations, noise, and even engine damage. This is why understanding and recognizing issues with engine mounts can be valuable knowledge for drivers and automobile enthusiasts. Some common signs that an engine mount may need attention include increased vibrations, especially when the engine is running, noises like knocking or clunking when starting the engine or accelerating, and the engine moving visibly under the hood. Recognizing these signs can help in maintaining a vehicle's health. That's all about engine mounts. We hope this video helps you understand what an engine mount is, its importance, and how to recognize signs of wear. Remember, a little knowledge about cars can go a long way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.